We're given a function y is equal to 2 cot 5t squared plus 3, and we're asked to find the derivative. So what do we do here? Now, we're going to make a substitution, all right, because we have a function 5t squared plus 3 inside this trigonometric function. So it becomes that we'll say let u be equal to that function inside trigonometric function, which is what? 5t squared plus 3. All right, 5t squared plus 3. So what's going to happen now? We're going to differentiate u with respect to t. So it becomes du dt is equal to, differentiate 5t squared, we only have 2 times 5 gives us 10. Subtract 1 from this, that's 1. That's going to be t to the power 1, which is still the same thing as 10t. You differentiate 3, you're going to have 0 because it's a constant and it's gone. Now, you've said let this be equal to u. So it means that you now have y is equal to what? 2 cot what? U. Because you said let this be u. Now we're going to differentiate y with respect to u. So it becomes dy du is equal to. Now, if we differentiate cot u, what are we going to get? I need you to know that if you are given a function y is equal to cot x, assuming your dy dx, that means if you differentiate the function cot x, you're going to have minus cosec square x. All right, you're going to have minus cosec square x. So now that you know that, it means finding out dy du here, we're going to have 2 into bracket differentiating cot u, we're going to have minus cosec square u. And then finally, your dy du is equal to, this multiplies this, gives us minus 2 cosec square u. All right. Now, we're going to recall that our u is equal to what? 5t squared plus 3. And then finally, to get our dy dt, because to find our derivative, we're differentiating y with respect to t. So our dy dt is going to be equal to what? Dy du multiplied by what? Du dt. So that's going to be equal to what? Dy du is what? Minus 2 cosec square u multiplied by du dt is what? 10t. So multiply this and this, you're going to have what? Minus 20t. This multiplies this. Cosec square u. Now recall that your u is equal to what? 5t squared plus 3. 5t squared plus 3. So finally, our dy dt is going to be equal to what? Minus 20t cosec square into bracket 5t squared plus 3. So this is going to be our derivative. So if we differentiate 2 cot 5t squared plus 3, we're going to have minus 20t cosec square 5t squared plus 3. All right, so this is our answer.